Welcome to Not Factory Approved. The star of our show today is this ShopVac. Very old, made by ShopVac, who apparently has gone out of business. So good luck finding filters. So today I will show you how I got a generic 6-inch filter to work, to replace the original ShopVac filter with limited expense and limited effort. Normally I use the white ShopVac that's on top, but the filter is blocked and I can't get one at the moment, so looking for alternate sources. Regarding the filter I said I couldn't find, I used this generic one, which I think is a 5.5 inch inside, and I've got an old bicycle tube here section I wrapped around, and then a couple of big hose clamps, and that clamps the filter tight, and it does stay on there. So that's what I'm going to do. Another solution. Why throw out a ShopVac if you don't have to? So now I can put this motor, after I clean it and lubricate it a bit, I'll put it back into the vacuum cleaner, and hopefully we'll have some decent suction again. As you can see, this is a very small ShopVac, so the filter does bottom out on the bottom of it, but this is not wet and dry anyway, so it really doesn't matter. As you can see, it's a pretty big filter for this small canister, but that's something that will work in a larger canister, definitely. And this one will do for some things. We'll see how it works with the sandblaster. I suspect it won't, because the filter's so big it'll suck in water, and then any water will soak into the filter. But as a small ShopVac, it's working again. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.